Deliberate means done on purpose, or done after careful thinking. It is not accidental. In simple words, deliberate equals on purpose. Easy explanation. Something is deliberate when it is planned, it is intentional. It is not by mistake. People act deliberately when they think before acting. Very easy examples with explanation. It was a deliberate mistake. She made a deliberate decision. More simple example sentences. He spoke in a deliberate way. The action was deliberate. She took a deliberate step. Daily life examples. Deliberate practice improves skills. Deliberate silence can send a message. Deliberate actions show intention. Student sentence. I made a deliberate choice to study. Easy memory trick. Deliberate equals on purpose.